performance make it a highly recommended product for anyone looking to improve their productivity and reduce strain on their hand and wrist. The Logitech MX Master 3 is an excellent choice for professionals who require a high level of precision and customization in their work, such as graphic designers, video editors, or programmers. Its comfortable and ergonomic design also makes it an excellent option for anyone who spends long hours using a mouse. Overall, the Logitech MX Master 3 is an excellent investment for anyone looking for a high-quality wireless mouse that can improve their productivity and performance. The Logitech MX Master 3 is a productivity mouse designed for professionals and content creators looking for a high-performance wireless mouse. As the latest entry in Logitech's popular Master Series lineup, the MX Master 3 builds upon the successes of its predecessors with upgraded features, performance, and comfort. Starting with design, the MX Master 3 sports an ergonomic right-handed shape that contours to the human hand. The large sculpted frame and rubber side grips provide supreme comfort during long work sessions. The sleek matte black finish looks premium and blends in with any work environment. The mouse features a total of 7 programmable buttons allowing for extensive customization. Key additions to the MX Master 3 include an electromagnetic mag-speed scroll wheel, a new thumb wheel for horizontal scrolling. In terms of performance, the MX Master 3 offers high-precision tracking with a maximum resolution of 4000p, more than enough for most users. The latency and responsiveness of the mouse feels snappy and immediate. Precision gestures like pinch to zoom work smoothly and accurately. Logitech claims the electromagnetic mag-speed scroll wheel is 68% faster than the previous model, allowing users to whip through documents in seconds. And the new thumb wheel for horizontal scrolling of documents is a very welcome addition. The mouse connects wirelessly using Logitech's proprietary unifying USB receiver or Bluetooth. Pairing the mouse is a quick and simple process. Both wireless connections offer reliable performance with no noticeable latency or jitter. Users report the MX Master 3 can maintain a strong connection from up to 30 feet away. The mouse is also compatible with up to 3 different devices and can switch between them instantly using configurable side buttons. The MX Master 3 is powered by an internal rechargeable lithium-ion battery that Logitech claims can last up to 70 days on a full charge when using Bluetooth or up to 2 months using the wireless receiver. Even with frequent use, owners report the mouse only needs to be charged every 2 to 3 weeks, making it one of the longest-lasting rechargeable mice available. Charging is done via an included USB-C cable which can fully charge the battery in just 3 hours. A key strength of the MX Master 3 is its extensive software customization. Using Logitech's Options application, users can remap buttons, adjust scrolling speed, tweak pointer speed and acceleration settings, create custom button macros, and set up device switching profiles. Profiles and custom settings can be saved and switched between on the fly. And Logitech's Flow cross-computer control feature lets users easily copy and paste content between multiple pieces. In summary, the Logitech MX Master 3 is an excellent productivity mouse for power users and multitaskers. Its outstanding scroll wheel, horizontal thumb wheel, customization options and 70-day battery life set it apart from the competition.